Hello friends, in this video I will show how to create a restore point on your Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. So any version of Windows you are using and PC or laptop, method is the same. Click on start, search here restore, then click on create a restore point. Now here you will see the setting create restore point right now for the drives that have system protection under on. So configure and turn on system protection. In case disable system protection is selected, so turn on, then apply, then click on OK. Now click on create. Type a description to help you identify the restore point. The current date and time are added automatically. So give any name, then click on create. So I will give the name rs.1, means restore point 1. Then click on create. Now wait for a few seconds. The restore point was created successfully. Close and restart. So this is the way guys you can create a restore point in your Windows system. Thanks for watching.